Thutha wa mucemanio wa atongoria matiganite a muingi kuma kaunti-ini cia Ikambaini, iria ni kaunti cia Kitui, Machakos na Makueni, riu atongoria aya ni moritie mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka guteaniria itua riake ria kweherera ngwataniroini ya Azimio la Umoja. Gikaro-ini kiria mahariirie mwena wa Machakos, atongoria ni magwetete itua ria Kalonzo ria kweherania na Raila ta itua riri na wiyendi na ritagiriire gukinyanirio ni mutongoria uri na bata na bururi.
We were hopeful that we would get deputy president position, but what was offered during the unveiling of the deputy president was even better.
Atongoria ni magwetete itua riri ria Kalonzo akinyanirie kiambiriria-ini gia kiumia giki ta itua ritekireire wendi wa ruriri rwa Ikamba, ruria maugite rukoragwo rumuthukiire kihoti gia kumaririria gwakinyania ugayania wa iturwa na utungata thirikari-ini.
We are convinced that the above offer is a fair and reasonable to our community. Considering the other side, Kenya Kwanza has already shared all positions without taking our community to account. Yes. Honorable Kalonzo needs to know that this offer is not his personal. It is Lower Eastern region and a whole Kamba nations. Yes. We are not ready to waste this chance.
Atongoria ni magwetete itua riri riria Kalonzo akinyanirie kiambiriria-ini gia kiumia giki ta itua ritekireire wendi wa ruriri rwa Ikamba, ruria maugite rukoragwo rumuthukiire kihoti gia kumaririria gwakinyania ugayania wa iturwa na motungata thirikari-ini.
In 14 days time we need a whole Kamba convention to chart a way forward where we would like to invite Azimio leadership led by Honorable President Kenyatta and Honorable Raila Odinga. Yes. If Kalonzo Musyoka does not accept this, we have better options. We appeal to Azimio leadership to offer this to any senior Kamba leader like Honorable Kibota Kibwana, Honorable Chaldi Kaluki Gilu, yes, etc.
Ona gutuika Kalonzo onekaga gukorwo atekuiganira na giturwa kia munene wa maminista kiria Raila agwetire kumuthukira. Atongoria ni magwetete kuiganira na giturwa giki makiuga uyu wari mweke mwega wa Kalonzo hari kurirukia njata yake ya kiuteti na kunyitirira aikari ya gicigo giki.
Kalonzo would be appointed chief minister, prime minister with the security of tenure. 2. New chief minister, prime minister, residence and the presidential security. Yes. 3. 20% share of government, cabinet secretaries, principal secretaries, CAS, ambassadorial, state departments and agencies appointments plus house committees and leadership.
Riu atongoria no meraniire kwaga gucenjia murugamo wa unyiti mbaru ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja. Ona gugikinyanira Kalonzo ndegwitikira gucoka ngwataniro-ini no.
Everyone knows that Kalonzo is going alone will come a distance that and will have taken Kamba nation to a political code again. Those who are surrounding him currently are interested in winning their personal seats under Wiper and not Kamba in interest at heart.
Itua ria Kalonzo no rikoretwo rigithonjerwo ni atongoria matiganite muthenya wa ira governor wa Kitui Charity Ngilu akiregweta ta itua ria wiyendi. Akiendera itua ria kweherania na ngwataniro ya Azimio, Kalonzo ni agwetire gukorwo akugitio wara ni ngwataniro eno kuria ugite ndari na wikio tiga kweheria ngwataniro-ini eno na kwirugamia giturwa-ini kia president na kiama gia Wiper. Ningĩ Kalonzo ni anireire Andrew Sunkuli ta munini wake kuria eranire gukorwo atekuonekana muingi-ini kwa ihinda ria kiumia kimwe. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.